Good morning. I did almost 19 miles yesterday. Woo. But I did it so I could go into Kent, Connecticut to do Nero. So work hard and then play hard, you know. So I caught up with Smiles yesterday, and so I'm with him. He's a little bit ahead of me. Not much. I literally can see him. You can see him, but anyway, yeah. So, but yeah, we're heading to Kent to do some chores, some laundry, shower, town food, get a couple things from maybe a sporting shop that we need, just to make us a little comfortable. And today's my mom's birthday, so I'm going to give her a call too. So, yep, that's the plan today. Easy day, and that's good because I'm getting a headache too. So, but I slept well last night, and excited to go to town.
It's funny how we go like, ew, caterpillars, they're basically maggots, to butterflies, like, oh, so pretty.
So we're doing a road walk, but I'm thinking this road walk is the original AT, because of that sign right there. So we're gonna do a river walk because it's hot and it's shady. Yeah, so we're gonna do this road walk. Yeah, it's nice. It's nice. There's Smiles again.
Hello.
And then there's Moxie.
Oh man, it is hot.
You want to say hi? Yeah, there you go. Yeah, we're having a good time. Leaving Kent. And then river.
I don't know. I like my hammock. It's heavy, but it's comfortable, you know?
Yeah.
Because the one thing a lot of people...
my gosh. Alright, I'm at Stewart Hollow Brook Shelter, but I'm tenting tonight because the bugs are crazy and it's nice weather and whatnot. Today we had a short day, about 7 Appalachian Trail miles, but we did a road walk pretty much to the camp because it was easy. It was along the river. It was just really nice. A lot of people have done that. Like I said, I think it was part of the old AT. But tomorrow we plan on doing 15 miles, so kind of starting to pick up the pace again and heading out because I had a Nero yesterday, pretty much a Nero today, but yeah, so it's just been really good, really chill, and been having a blast. Took a little creek rinsed off my legs, washed my face, but yeah, it's been a super delight. So yeah, I can't wait till what tomorrow brings. So bye for now. Good night.